officials seize illegal logs along with a vehicle. Local population excited as JNKB NEC road nearing completion in Homerun. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a successful operation by forest officials, a truck loaded with illegal logs being smuggled from the Hill District was seized in Jirikindeng, West Karbi Anglong on Tuesday. More from our correspondent's report. Jirikindeng area in West Karbi Anglong is blessed with enormous variety of trees, and this has attracted the smugglers to keep their eyes on it. News of such smuggling of timbers and woods from the forest has been often coming out in various media platforms. Staying alert and active, the team of forest officials from Southern Range Kheroni had intercepted a truck and prevented the smugglers from carrying away the logs. The logs were seized at Shil, a place between Khermi and Mulaber, under Jirikindeng police station. The personnel of Forest Range office were on patrol. However, the smugglers, including the driver, quickly abandoned the truck on seeing the forest personnel approaching.
হয় যোৱাকালি আমি পেট্ৰলিং পঠাইছিলোঁ আৰু আমাৰ টিম তাতে আছে এটা টিমটো যোৱাকালি মটৰচাইকেল টিমো গৈছিলোঁ তাতে টিম পঠাৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকে ধৰিলে টিম মুকৰ্মি আৰু আপোনাৰ মূলাবেৰ মাজত চিৰ বুলি জেগাত 4 বাজিত আমি গাড়ীখন ধৰিলোঁ আৰু আমাৰ সুবিধাটো আছেই ষ্টাফ শ্বট ইয়াত আৰু লগতে গাড়ী নাই আমি গাড়ী ভাড়া কৰি পেট্ৰলিং কৰোঁ উপায় নাপায় মই মটৰচাইকেলৰ 4টা মটৰচাইকেল দি পঠাব লগা হৈছে আৰু একচুৱেলি মটৰচাইকেল পঠোৱাৰ কাৰণে সফল হ'ল বুলি ক'ব পাৰি
ইয়াৰ পূৰ্বেও বহুত হৈ আছে আচলতে কিহৰ অভাৱ হৈ আছে বিশেষকৈ আপোনালোকৰ কিহৰ অভাৱত আচলতে
আমাৰ ইয়াৰ অভাৱ হৈছে আমাৰ মেইন হৈছে আমাৰ ষ্টাফ শ্বৰ্টেজ আৰু যিমান আমি ধৰোঁ তেওঁলোকৰ চোৰৰ ইমান অভাৱ হয় বা বেছি হয় সেইকাৰণে তেওঁলোকক প্ৰতিৰোধ কৰিবৰ কাৰণেতো আমাৰ গাড়ী দিব লাগিব ষ্টাফ দিব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে মই ভাবোঁ অলপ কম হ'ব বুলি ভাবোঁ
Forest officials stated that they do not have proper patrolling vehicle, due to which they are forced to use motorcycles for the purpose. They have also expressed the lack of adequate number of staff, due to which they face immense difficulties in protecting the forest. The department have appealed upon authority to increase number of personnel and to provide them patrolling vehicle to help them perform their duties effectively. Mohan Teran's report from Phelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live. The Han Lokrok Primary Health Center in Han Lokrok, located in a West Karbi Anglong to Nagaon border area, is standing in a pathetic condition. Due to this, people of 15 nearby villages are not getting easy access to health facilities. Let's know more about the condition of the health center from our correspondent's report. Locals told Karbi Anglong Live that a health center was inaugurated in 2014, but now people do not get even a single medicine from the health center. Earlier, there were some good quarter buildings for the staffs working there. However, these quarters have been abandoned for a long time, following which the building have become shelter for stray animals. There are no doctors, no nurses or any other health workers, due to which the building is now stand covered by bushes and thickets. According to locals, no doctor was appointed since the beginning of the center. It started functioning with 2 nurses. Later, supply of medicines and other items were stopped. With no equipments and supply of medicines, the nurses become helpless and could not perform their service. Now people are facing the consequences of the neglect of the authority. The people of the area do not have any other health center to approach nearby. Also, due to very poor condition of road, even ambulances do not come to the village.
Primary health center long of your pussy and mom, nurse lady. It's a doctor doing my way. Doctor, quarantine, Ma doctor ka be RG ding ulo malada.
Di holo.
Ciklo jon am doctor ko.
Ciklo jan thamang ko ba.
Dak la siga chelang ji fan ku BP ke joy ke sig long kon lo.
Ni tum thangna dak ki joy ke ta bi athi mani ni tum aki sun sai de dak ni tum ke ato ka a jagat ki ma.
Border area le di.
Border area ma hedi ni tum sung pig la dak. Athi mani ni tum sele chelang ji pusitani tum dak sam sub center do ku thoi pisan ni tum a hem sikim chok pu chodana ke do pen thangna ta le ve ni tum.
The nearest health center where people of the locality have to visit for any minor or major treatment in Donkamukam PHC or Hojai. In the recent flood, when villages were submerged by water, many people fell ill. In the absence of nearby health center, people had to face big problems in managing medicines and treatment at a time of crisis. When people approached the Han Lokrok Primary Health Center for medicine, they were sent away empty-handed. Following this, locals have therefore urged the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to immediately appoint a health officer and also continue supply of medicines and other equipments for the center. Wiki-based report from Satgaon, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Homerun ikha Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers sakuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachioma kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akuladalong kedam japhan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akuladalong pen kethon ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Homerun ikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim lake Dipu Ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adu.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Local population of Homerun are excited and are hopeful for the Jowai to Nartiang to Kahandoli to Baithalongso and EC road construction, which is nearing its completion. Our Homerun correspondent brings us this report. The 59.55 kilometers long NEC road connecting Jowai to Nartiang to Kahandoli to Baithalongso is nearing completion, and the locals are very excited to see the end of their decades-long pain due to the absence of a good road. Huge numbers of locals are seen moving and carrying their belongings through this new road with smiles on their faces on 2- and 4-wheelers. People of the area said that their communication woes have eased to a great extent following completion of road in almost all locations. However, a small area near the Homerun district jail where the construction of a new petrol pump is underway is still yet to be completed. However, after being highlighted by local media, the authority has assured the public for early construction and completion at this spot. According to locals, engineers of the concerned department have also been seen supervising the construction works. Daniel in his report from Homerun for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic road accident, one person was killed on the spot during a head-on collision of 2 trucks along the Asian Highway No. 1 at Bokajan, Daroga Tea Garden area on Tuesday. Our Bokajan correspondent has sent us this report. According to locals, the horrific accident took place at around 9 a.m. when a Kohima-bound truck coming Tinsukia with the registration plate AS23CC1887 carrying LPG cylinders met with a head-on collision with another speeding truck coming from opposite direction from Dimapur at Bokajan Daroga Tea Garden area. The impact was so great that the driver of the truck carrying LPG cylinder, identified as Dipjyoti Saikia, was killed on the spot, while the handyman of the same truck, identified as Horan Saikia, luckily escaped. Meanwhile, on receiving the information, the Bokajan police reached the spot of the incident. The dead body of the victim has been sent for post-mortem, while the 2 trucks involved in the accident have been recovered and is being kept under the custody of Bokajan police station. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.